So ayun guys, na-deliver na natin kay Madam yung order niyang pansit bihon. Nakakataba ng puso at masarap sa pakiramdam guys na ibang lahi ay nagugustuhan ang Filipino foods ng GFH Street Restaurant. So taga Myanmar si Madam guys. So please do try the our Asian food guys, best Asian food. Best halal Asian food here in Achuman guys. So please don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe to the GFH Street page in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube guys for more updates. So once again guys, thank you so much for your support. Happy eating and enjoy watching to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you guys.
Usap nila may anting-anting ako, pero di nila